Okay, guys, I'm going to be talking quickly because I'm trying to keep this under 5 minutes, and this is like my 30 billionth try. We want you to have all the information necessary to get your classwork done, to be prepared for APs, to be well, to be happy, to be fed, and not be stressed. So, first on that list is to be fed. We will be handing out food if you are running short, can't get to the store, whatever. Mondays and Wednesdays for every student. You will get 5 full breakfasts, 5 full lunch on Monday, 3 and 3 on Wednesday. Drive up, they hand it to you through the window. They will have to be reheated at home. If you can't drive up, walk up. Social distance, but they'll get them to you anyway. You should have gotten an email, possibly a phone call, possibly a text, who knows? You should have gotten contact from the district and contact from your advisory teacher, probably some of your academic teachers as well, regarding what's going on next week. We want to make sure that you know how to get into its learning. You know where your teacher's web pages are. You have a computer. You have internet access. We also want you to know we are here if you're having issues. Reach out. We will do everything in our power to help. For my class, please sign up for the Remind, freeze the screen, do whatever. I've resisted Remind for quite a while, so let's see what happens. We may just be back to our web page as usual. Adam Norris, make sure you know how to access our book. We are the Brinkley book, not the Bailey book. Make sure the chapters line up. Make sure you can find Hip Hughes, John Green, Khan Academy, AP College Board, and our online textbook. Most importantly, or at least of equal importance, is the crash course book. If you left it at school, go get it. If you lost it, go buy another one. If you can't do either one of those things, share with a friend. That little book is gold. If you have your regular textbook, that will help as well, but of course, online access is useful. This is the bulleted list of what it looks like AP is going to be. We're going to get rid of the over 3 hour exam. No hundreds of kids in a gym taking it on paper. You're going to be taking it online. It's going to be 45 minutes. We have sources that say free response only, but the page I'm about to show you on College Board says they don't know. We should know everything by April 3rd, but you've got to understand they are trying to revamp a national/international exam in a very short amount of time. If you do AP portfolios for art, you have extra time for that as well. Now, here's the College Board update page. If you click on it, most of this info is what's in that bulleted list I gave you. But when you get down here, you can look up your subject. It tells you what the exam is going to cover and what it's going to leave off. What type of questions? What is my first choice exam date? Second. If you scroll down to us, there we are. Only going to cover 1 through 7. So yay for us. That's World War II. We are so almost there, it's ridiculous. Another week or so of instruction, and then we're going to start reviewing. Gallus and I are going to get together. We're going to plan this out. You're going to be okay. They are leaving off the last 2 units. So no worries. This is where the type of question should be. It says this information will be posted April 3rd. Our test date's the same. Don't worry about it. We don't have it. You can't do it. Okay? So, get everything together. Be prepared. Take care of yourselves. We miss you like you wouldn't believe. We want you safe. And talk to you soon.